everyone, and thank you for watching my new video. I'm Marjolein, I'm a fluid artist from the Netherlands, and from my art studio I would like to show you what I do. And welcome to my April mystery challenge. For this month of April I will make each day a new painting, 28 paintings with the same technique, but all with a really surprising color combination. Wait. This is how 28 canvases look. 28 canvases, and you cannot see them all on screen. Look, there they are starting, and there is the end of this pile of canvases. 28 canvases. I will show you the dry results in the last video, so it will be on the end of April. You can see all the dry results and all the recipes and all the colors you can find in the description. I really hope you enjoyed this challenge, and if you're not a subscriber and you do not want to miss anything, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel number 6. Today I will record the first 7 videos so you can see them all in this week, but I will use black, white as a base for all those 7. 2 colors, a metallic color and spray paint. So that's the basic thing for the first 7. So each one will be another color, but black and white is for all the same. So that will be for this week. Let's start. And now it's time for number 6, and I will use those colors for this number 6. This is the cobalt blue hue from Liquitex, and this one is the Prussian blue from Winsor & Newton. So this is 2 colors of blue, and I'm using black and white as my base color, and I'm using this as my metallic color. This is a mixture of the deep gold and the bronze from Amsterdam. It's in this bottle. I'm using my black and my white cell activator for this one, and of course my gold spray paint. It's this one, and this gold spray paint makes my swipe the fantasy swipe because I'm using gold spray paint. This is the one from Montana, and this is the NC acrylic gold with a shiny cap. I will use this everything in this painting, and I will use that painting, and I'm sorry, I will reuse my puppy pad for this one, so I will not waste any puppy pads. So there is still pink on it from my previous painting. If you haven't seen that previous painting, it's really nice with pink and with 2 colors, pink and black, white and gold. You can see that video. It's number 5. This will be number 6. So let's start on this canvas. Let's start. So a blue painting this time. The first one was turquoise, so I will count this as blue. So it's a different color combination. So let's see. Let's clean this palette knife. So let's start with black and white puddles, and then the colors, and then the spray paint, and then the swipe. Let's start number 6 this time. Make 3 puddles. I love to use the number 3 because I will make 3 puddles of black and white and 3 puddles for the colors, so it's nicely even. This is a big one. All right, and now the cobalt blue. This one is really this is really a nice color. It's so bright, so blue. I love it. One of my favorite colors. And now this, it is in a cup, so it's not so handy. It's almost black, and this dries also really dark. Look, now that's also empty. And now of course the gold paint. It's here. I'll add a little bit in the darker parts so they're all really shiny later. All right. And the white. All right, so let's use the gold spray paint now. And this is how it looks when I sprayed it in the cup. And I'll pour it here, a little bit here in the middle. All right, So let's do this another time. So I will do it 2 times and I will make some kind of a snake shape. And the second one, I'll pour it here on the darker side. I love it a little bit on the darker sides. Dark side, like Star Wars. Look, there. Perfect. So now it's time to swipe. And I already told you that I will swipe with black and with white. All the recipes for all the paints and my cell activator are in the description, so you can see there how they are mixed. So let's start with white this time. Yes, I'll start here in this white and I will swipe through the colors. So, and I will start with my white cell activator in the white paint here on this corner here. I really love the effect that that gives when you start with white and white. So you get a really foggy start of the swipe and I really love that. So that's why I do it. You can always start in the color, you can start in the gold. That's also really nice. If I should start in that cobalt blue, the lines of the swipe will be cobalt blue. But I want white swipe, so. But you can play with that. There's still something in my bottles blocking. So here's my palette knife. Let's start here in this white here and go through that gold spray paint there. Let's grab that gold spray paint, drag it along and a little bit of that gold there. So let's make a little nice curve, S curve here. And go off the canvas. There. And look at your palette knife. Always look at your palette knife. It's an art piece itself. But let's put it here on this side here. Look at this swipe. Look there, that gold, and here's a lot of gold spray paint. But you can see there it's already breaking up, so it will get thin. You can see there it will start and it will open and it will break up. It will be some kind of a cheese. I always call this a cheese because there will be holes in it. But I really love it. And let's make a swipe from there through there, but I will spin my canvas around. As you can see here what I mean with white in white here. It's really foggy start and then the colors explode from there. I love that, personally. That's something personal. Let's turn this canvas around and start in that black puddle. Oh, there is so much paint on my canvas. It's really heavy. Ooh, I think it's too much, but I told you in my previous video that I will make skins from the paints that are on my table, and with those skins I will make jewelry, keychains, and you can make that keychain into a necklace. So that's what I do. So each painting has, when the challenge is done, I have also 28 keychains. So that's the plan. That's the plan. So I think it will be really nice. So don't worry if there is a lot of paint of the canvas, because I will reuse it for my jewelry. So here is my palette knife, and I'll start here. My camera will follow me. Start here. Grab that gold spray paint a little bit, and maybe a little bit of that cobalt blue there. Maybe I can grab that and go through this again. Look, and let's go a little bit through the white. So I break up that white a little bit, and I get that really nice blue next to that white. And look at your palette knife. Always look at your palette knife. Oh, this is so nice. Look there, this, there. What I show you on the screen. This is amazing. I love that. And now you can see the difference between the white and the black swipe. The white is here. You can see the white lines. Still the white lines, because I start in the white. And here I start in the black, so you get all those. Look there. Oh, this is so nice. So nice. So maybe I can make a painting with black and with all those dark colors. That's really nice. So let's make another swipe, and maybe, let's see. Let's wait. I will look at it. This is really nice. And I know I'm not there. I think I will not do anything now. I will stretch this out because I really love this here, and there is no place of space where I can swipe, because in the middle they are already so close to each other that I cannot swipe in between. And if I make a swipe here, it will be stretched off anyway. Let's stretch this one out. First drink something, I'm really thirsty. and there will be a lot of paint falling on my table. I told you it will be a really nice necklace. I'm sure of it. I think I'll wear it myself. All right, let's see. There is a lot of paint. There is a lot of paint. It's really heavy. So let's first go that way and see where the gold spray paint is going, because it's going everywhere. Let's go back because I want that corner white, so let's keep that corner white. And here is a big, there's paint everywhere. There is a big gold here in the middle. It's really big, so let's make a river that way. So it will go off the canvas there, because I do not want so much of that gold spray paint in the middle. It's really too much and it will not dry really well. So let's make a river that way. And I will leave that corner, that blue. I love that cobalt blue. Let's see if I can reach this corner with that black. Let's go back. I think I have my new favorite here in my hands. Let's see if I can reach that corner without those drippings. Yeah, there are a lot of drippings, but oh, that's okay. This is so nice. Maybe I can reach now. I'm not sure. Let's try it to reach this corner. To go back, make that corner. That cobalt blue. I love that cobalt blue. I already told you. Just speaking so quietly now because this is so amazing. And that gold spray paint, there is a lot of gold spray paint there. I cannot point out things because my hands are really dirty. But that gold spray paint here, it will open up, I told you, like a cheese. Let's fix the corners now. There is a lot of black missing here, but I have black on my hand, so I can fix it right away for you. Let's see, that corner needs to be white, that corner a little bit of that blue, and this one needs to be cobalt blue. But I will wash my hands and I can show you the close-up. This one, yes, it's also a favorite. I think I have a lot of favorites at the end of this challenge. But this one, I will definitely make a big one with that blue, that cobalt blue and that Prussian blue. I will show you the close-up now. So look at this one. This is really nice. I just forgot that corner, so I will fix it later. Look at this. This is so nice. Let's see if I can show it a little bit like this. Look, this is my favorite. And I just saw that the red one is doing weird. So I'm not sure that red one will still be my favorite. So this is my new favorite now because I think the red one dries weird. But this one is just perfect. Look here, this is really nice. Those colors blend together, and of course that gold spray paint. I love that. I love that. And that white here, look, this everything is just lovely. And that cell there, that's really nice. So I love this one, and I will let this one dry, of course, and I will make number 7. But you will see that tomorrow, and yeah, see you tomorrow.